Hey guys, so I'm about to head to my hair appointment. Today we are doing our first official U-part install at a salon. So I'm going to Wigs by T. She's located in Oakville if you are in the GTA area. And yeah, but I'm gonna do just a little mini vlog for today, and then you guys will see me installing it and everything, and then I'll talk about the wigs once I get back home and I've had it styled and all that. So let's go.
Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 2 doors in my coupe. I look better under you, girl, I love you, you my truth. The OJ with that juice, got that magic 32. Tell me what you tryna do. Look, I'm hotter than 10. Check out my phone and you callin' again. Pull up outside and you all in the Benz. Keeping it up, I don't need the extends. Running it back and again and again. It is so good, got you telling your friends. You late for work, stuck in traffic again. Do not disturb, now we off of the grid.
And it's so nice. And I like just aesthetics. Are you liking the
Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. 2 doors in my coupe, I look better under you. Girl, I love you, you my truth. The OJ with that juice, got that magic 32. Tell me what you tryna do.
Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a curl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lies, wings we can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ass is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth's never lie, like wings you can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy.
to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Ooh. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a who's supposed to be, but self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, 'cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me?
Okay, so hair is done, and yeah, she ate. She ate. If you guys are in anywhere in the GTA, if you're in Ontario, period, she is worth the drive, the flight, whatever it is. Wigs by T. I'll put her information down below, and I'll also be tagging her on my Instagram. She is so good. The salon is so cute. Everyone in there is so nice. I loved it. I loved every second of it. And she ate with the layers, with the curls, with everything. It looks so good. Exactly what I wanted in my head is exactly what she did. Like, literally, the other girl in there was like, yeah, this is exactly what I want you to do with my hair on my appointment. So you know she ate. Definitely 110% recommend her. So if you are looking for a new stylist, she does natural hair, she does other types of wigs, she does everything hair, go to her. Go to her. Now I'm about to go back home so I can film the rest of this content for the wigs. And yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching the vlog, or the little mini hair vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.